Okay, so before we watch the videos and the lectures that you guys are going to be taking notes on, I wanted to go through what basically a search engine is. You guys should understand what a search engine does and what a search engine actually is. I've noticed that a lot of my students will type in a search under Google, and the first information that comes up, they'll be like, oh, here's the information. That is not how it works. The search engine is something like Google, or Bing, or Yahoo. Those are all types of search engines. And we're going to be learning more about search engines, but you need to understand that a search engine is not where the information is. It's just a way of finding the information. So look at it this way. Do you guys like my picture? I love it. I'm so artistic. So here's my picture, right? And you have your house. You're at your house. You get into your car, and you can go different ways to get to the store. Who knows? Maybe the store just goes to this way. Whatever. So here's your road. And then here is your big store. Here's where you get your milk. Here's where you get your eggs. You do not get your milk and your eggs along the way. You get them at the store. So when you get your eggs and milk, you come back home and you have your eggs and milk to use, or bread, or whatever it is you got at the store. You got into your car. Your car was what made it possible for you to get to the store. So if the car is what you're using to get to the store, you don't pick those eggs and milk up along your way. You have to get to the end of the store. Pick them up there. A search engine is no different. A search engine, you can't get to the milk and eggs until you actually get to the destination, which is the website. So I want you guys to keep that in mind as you're learning more about internet research. Is the engine gets you there. It gets you to the information. Please remember that. And the next videos you'll be taking notes on, so I hope they work for you, and you can use the notes that I included as something to base off your notes.